You need to watch this if you love bizarre, beautiful birds. We're diving into the wild world of the helmet vanga, Madagascar's feathered oddball. Ready? Let's go. Found only in the dense rainforests of Madagascar, the helmet vanga grabs attention with its bright blue bill. Yep, it's shaped just like a helmet. This isn't just for show. That beak helps it crack open tough beetles, creepy crawlies hiding under the bark. But here's the twist. The helmet vanga is incredibly rare. Only a few thousand are left, and their home is shrinking fast. Deforestation is their biggest enemy, and every year, a little more of their habitat disappears. These birds are also super secretive. They prefer hopping quietly through the lower branches, often in pairs. Spotting one in the wild is like winning the birdwatcher's lottery. Scientists are racing to learn more about them, hoping it's not too late. Every sighting is a small victory, and every preserved patch of forest gives the helmet vanga a fighting chance. So next time you hear about Madagascar, remember, some of the world's strangest and most amazing creatures call it home. Will we help the helmet vanga survive? That's a story still being written.